Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into one of the most mysterious and exciting fighter jet concepts in the world, the Russian Su-99. A next-generation aircraft rumored to push the limits of stealth, speed, firepower, and advanced artificial intelligence. So buckle up, because what you're about to discover will completely change the way you look at future air combat. The Su-99 is not just another fighter jet on a production line. It represents a major leap in Russia's military aviation strategy. Designed as a sixth-generation aircraft, the Su-99 is expected to combine stealth performance better than the Su-57 with futuristic unmanned control systems and advanced hypersonic weapons. Imagine a fighter jet that can outthink the enemy, react faster than a human pilot, and strike its target before it's even detected. That's the level we're talking about.
You think it's the coding?
One of the most exciting possibilities with the Su-99 is its hybrid piloting mode. It can be flown with a pilot inside, but it can also be fully remote controlled or even operate independently using built-in AI. This makes the aircraft incredibly flexible. Pilots can choose when to risk their lives, or when to let the jet fight on its own. This technology will allow the Su-99 to take on extremely dangerous missions where human pilots would have almost no chance of survival. The future battlefield is expected to be full of electronic warfare, jamming systems, and radar traps. That's why stealth is a huge focus for the Su-99. Engineers are working on a new radar-absorbing coating, improved engine inlets, and a dramatically reduced heat signature. The aircraft's body design takes lessons learned from the Su-57 and pushes them further, with sharp angles and smooth curves to scatter radar waves and remain nearly invisible to enemy tracking systems.
This is the primary area requiring
Speed is another area where the Su-99 could rewrite the rules.
You think it's the coding?
Russia is reportedly developing a new high-efficiency propulsion system that allows the aircraft to cruise at hypersonic speeds. That means faster than Mach 5 without needing an afterburner. If successful, this would make the Su-99 one of the fastest fighter jets ever built. At these speeds, the aircraft can break through enemy defenses before they even have time to respond. But what good is speed without firepower? The Su-99 is rumored to carry a completely new family of hypersonic missiles designed to destroy both air and ground targets at long range. It could also be equipped with laser-based defensive systems to destroy incoming missiles and drones. Imagine a fighter jet that can defend itself with beams of light. That's the kind of futuristic combat Russia aims to achieve. Inside the cockpit, pilots may have access to next-level augmented reality displays that show a complete 360-degree view around the aircraft. It's like having superhuman vision. Faster decision-making means faster reactions, and in aerial combat, a split second can be the difference between life and death. The Su-99 won't fight alone either. It is expected to operate alongside a swarm of drone-wingmen, smaller unmanned aircraft that gather intelligence, carry weapons, and help attack targets. This strategy gives the Su-99 overwhelming control of the skies. If an enemy tries to attack, the drones intercept first while the Su-99 stays safe and hidden. Of course, a project of this level brings huge challenges: cost, production complexity, and untested technologies. Many aspects of the Su-99 remain highly classified. Some experts even question whether Russia can introduce it in the near future. But if they succeed, the Su-99 could become one of the most dominant aircraft on the planet. The world is watching closely. As aviation technology evolves, the race for air superiority becomes more intense. The Su-99 stands as a warning to any nation that thinks they are safe from future air power. Super stealth, AI control, ultra-fast, and armed with deadly precision, this aircraft may define the next era of aerial warfare.